Welcome to Irfan Immigration News Channel. This channel provides latest information of immigration taken from official website of Immigration Department. Before going to detail in the topic, please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Canadian governments and IRCC department has decided to use modern technology, a modern tool in extension of the work permit. This technology and software made the processing of the application quite easier, especially for extension of the work permit and postgraduate work permit. If anybody is going to apply for extension of the work permit, its application will be taken on top priority by this tool because the manual processing time was taking more time because the visa officer and officer need to check all details manually. But by this technology, most of the time a visa officer will be saved because IRCC laws matching will be checked by this tool. Finally, the file will be given to visa officer whose decision would be very quicker. These details would be very useful for the people who are working on work permits in Canada and they want to extend their work permit. Their extension of the work permits will not affect their jobs and their processing time will be quite lesser. Hopefully, this technology will be used in issuing the work permit at the start of the work permit application and also in case of the tourist visa assessment as well. This assessment tool first time is being experienced in the extension of the work permit and the postgraduate work permits only because these people are currently working in Canada and increasing the economy of Canada. The main objective of the tool is to reduce the processing time and make fair system and make the transparent decisions for work permit extension applications. Visa officer of course will be involved in final check, but their time will be reduced because most of the processing results will be in front of them as a result of this technology. Thank you very much.